그냥 중요한 척 그래 나지.
위원님.
Hello. While the cultural troops prepare for the performance, in order to make the best use of time, I, on behalf of the Konyak Union, would also like to read out the name of the remaining invitees that would like to give a token of love. But due to the time constraint, we will be handing over the presentation to you after the program only. So thank you for your kind understanding. Here are the list. Sri Vizoto Hippo, OST Security to Chief Minister, Government of Nagaland. Next, Sri Kinyelo Apon, Commissioner, Department of Underdeveloped Areas. Dr. Anungla, Additional Director, Department of Underdeveloped Areas. Wanjo Council President, All Assam Thai Ahom Students Union President, dear tribal colleagues, Home People's Council President, Aus Senden President, and the tribal colleagues. Thank you.
I would like to announce contributions, donations received from our esteemed members here. First, we have the Honorable Deputy Minister, Home and Border Affairs. He has contributed 2 lakhs. Next, we have Sri K. Honorable Minister for Power and Parliamentary Affairs. He has contributed a sum of rupees 1 lakh. Next, we have Srimati Salutuno, Honorable Minister, Women Resource Department and Horticulture. She has contributed a sum of rupees 1 lakh. And Sri Impong Mar, Honorable Advisor, Minority Affairs, Sericulture, Government of Nagaland. He has contributed a sum of rupees 1 lakh. Thank you on behalf of the Konyak in the Kumon district. I also would like to announce the winners under different categories. Morong, first position goes to 55 AC, Tobu. Morong, second position goes to 43 AC, Wakching. 42 AC, Wakching, yes, sorry. Third position goes to Monton, 46 AC. Under the artifact and museum category, the first goes to Aboy, second Tapi, and third goes to Tobu. The winners shall receive a cash prize of rupees 3 lakh, the second 2 lakh, and third position 1 lakh. Congratulations to all the winners.
Please, when you go back, please. Yeah, here. Stop, keep going.
정유 블레스 삼맘새일게요. 삼맘새 이밖에난 무게면.
Be respectful. Shame on you.
Next up, we have Wakching Village Cultural Troupe. I request the troupe to kindly stay prepared.
So guys, halak ko lang. Tingnan naman ito, tingnan mamsay, mamsay.
Saya cuma namanya sa sisi mana konya kalau kelak konya orang muni sisi mana sa yang balanda hauna he ibu saya nang dah hidup apa kasus yang kena haro hilak permana juga tu na cuma namanya ni sisi mana kalau kelak aja